Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, thinking about the beautiful autumn leaves and a technique for preserving them so that you can use them and have them last literally for months. Think back to kindergarten when you would grab waxed paper, yes, just straight out of the kitchen, pull off 2 sheets, take your leaves, lay them in. I remember doing this as a child. It was so much fun, and here I am as an adult doing it again. Lay them out, put the wax paper back down. You want to make sure that they don't overlap. There we go. Then once everything's in place, using an iron on a low setting, melt the wax into the leaves. So it's coming in from the back side and the top side. And just melt it down. Then flip it over. Do it again. Get the opposite side. Melting, melting. Then when you're done, let it cool just a bit. Pull it apart. Pull out your leaves. They'll be very pliable. They won't crinkle. They won't fade. It's a fabulous way to keep your leaves and have them last literally for months. Now you know a special technique for the Floral Pro.